I don't really know what to expect. I'm actually terrified right now.
Perfect. We're here to enjoy that part. But you're terrified.
Okay, great. I've never done anything like this before. I've never done Horror Nights before.
We haven't either.
Her first time, it's her initiation in Horror Nights.
This whole video is gonna be me being like, it isn't real, it isn't real, it isn't real, it isn't real, it isn't real.
No, it is real blood.
You ever notice that like every fifth person that comes through doesn't come out? That's how we keep getting new people in the show.
You made it.
I'm sweating. I just went through the house. I am sweating and shaking. It was thrilling. It was terrifying. Definitely worth doing. Definitely worth doing with somebody so that you can dig your nails into them. Yeah, terrified. It was really cool though. The detail in the houses, just everything was just really good. The blood, the background, the noise, it just all played in really well to scare you. There were people stomping their feet, like I heard clanging at one point, and everything just set me off. And it was the most thrilling thing I think I've done in a very long time. Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Orlando runs select nights through November 2nd.